Welcome! I'm so glad that you're here. Today we have a pretty special thing to do. On Instagram, one of my friends posted a beautiful historical picture and was wondering about the hairstyle. So I thought, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see if I can recreate this hairstyle. Here it is. So I spent like 2 weeks looking for a necklace. This is not the one I was looking for, but this is the one we're gonna use because I really need to just do this. So what I'm seeing here is a really loose braid, kind of almost a French braid, into a low bun. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to take a section of my hair that's a little bit back and a little bit down. And I'm going to start a very loose French braid. Take pretty big sections. At this point, I'm going to pause for a moment, put a clip in, and I'm going to add my necklace. If you have a necklace with a clasp, you can put the bobby pin through the clasp, but this is one loop, so I'm just going to slide the bobby pin on there. And stick it in that part that's forming. And then I'm going to braid it in down here. I'll redo a little bit here because I want a huge loose bit on this side. Really got to make sure that I'm keeping this very, very loose. Because it barely looks like a braid at all. Fasten on the end, and then form this into a bun. Okay, and to hold that, I am most certainly going to use my spin pins. They are the strongest thing for hold. I have no idea how the person in this picture managed to keep her hair up. Of course it's painted, so it might not be an actual hairstyle exactly. Alright, my chain seems to have gotten lost. It's supposed to appear a little bit up, so let me adjust that. Okay, well, that feels right, or as right as I'm likely to get it, so I'm gonna go take some pictures, and hopefully you enjoyed this recreation of a hairstyle from a painting. And if there's any hairstyle that you would like me to try to recreate, for sure let me know. Be sure to check the link in the description box to sign up for my weekly roundup newsletter. You're gonna get a few goodies like an exclusive hairstyle tutorial, a free printable, and the opportunity to purchase my ebook, Hair Oils and How to Use Them, at half price. So again, link is in the description box, and I look forward to seeing you next time.